Hello, students and teachers. It's your response to interventionist Miss Tessie Matlock. And today we're going to tackle simple multiplication and simple division. We're going to take a look at putting items into groups. We're going to look at writing number sentences that go with each group. So the first group that I have is a group of popsicles. Popsicles, yay, popsicles. So, how many groups of popsicles do you see? Good job. You said that you see three groups of popsicles. Great job. Now, note, I said that we are going to multiply and do simple division. I did not say add, but we will talk about adding. We will talk about adding. And you stated, some of you stated already, that there are three popsicles in each group. Now, you're going to hear me talk about grouping when we get to the division number sentence. So there are three popsicles in each group. Three popsicles. P-O-P-S, and I've spelled popsicles right here so I won't misspell it. S-I-C-L-E-S, popsicles. All right, so we have three popsicles in each group. Now let's add it up. Ah, I hear some speedy bees. They're already shouting what the product is. Great job. Excellent. But for those that are processing just a little slowly, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. Awesome. So 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Because there are three popsicles in each group. So we know conclusively now that 3 times 3 is 9. Now let's label our numbers. Let's tackle that vocabulary when it comes to multiplication. This is called a factor. So I will write that word here, that vocabulary word here, factor. F-A-C-T-O-R. Factor times a factor. Factor times a factor equals the product. The product in this sense is 9. Product. P-R-O-D-U-C-T. Product. Now we're going to take this multiplication problem and we're going to write a division number sentence. You ready? All right, here we go. Here's that set of three popsicles. What number will go first in a division number sentence? Did you see me point? Give you a clue? Great. The product of 9 will go first. It's the larger number in this fact family. Let's write 9 down. So here we have 9 divided by. Now, often scholars, when I'm working with you, I will see you write a plus sign. No, this is not the operation that we are performing. We're going between multiplication and division. So this is a division symbol, not an addition symbol. So we must divide, not add. So we have 9 in each group. How many groups do we have? Good. We have 3 groups. 9 divided by 3 equals. Good. So now let's take a look at the fact family. Who do we have present? 9 is present. Good job. And one of the threes is present. Good. You said we need the other three here. That's the answer. 9 divided by 3 is 3. That was the other member of the family, of the fact family, that was missing. So, this 9 in this position is called our dividend. Dividend. I'll write it down. D-I-V-I-D-E-N. The dividend. This 3 in this position is called our divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. The dividend is what's to be split in groups. The dividend is what's to be split in groups. So for older math learners, that's to my 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th graders, that's the distributive property. Oh, that's another lesson that we will have. Each group of 3 was distributed a popsicle equally. Okay, so this is our dividend. What is to be divided? The total number that's to be divided. So the divisor is what will break up or separate this dividend in. So there should be 3 items in each group. And the answer starts with a Q. Good, it's the quotient. Quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. The quotient, again, is the answer to a division problem. Great job. Good on that one. Let's tackle another one. Now that we've gotten the vocabulary out of the way, you know the function of each. So let's take a look. Something simple. How many groups of 4 do you see? Good. You see 2 groups of 4. You see 2 groups of 4. So 2 times 4 equals what? What will be the product of this group? Well, let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8. Good job. 2 times 4 is 8. Excellent. Now let's change this into a division problem. Which number will go first? Good. You said the 8. It's the larger number. 8 is the dividend. It is what's to be divided. Good job. Write the symbol for division, not an addition sign. 4 is to be written next. It can be because how many groups of 4 did we have? Great job. 8 divided by 4, because 4 is how many groups, or how many is in each group of, good, 2. So it's going to break 8 up into 2 different groups. Now, stay with me because I'm going somewhere with this. 8 divided by 4 is 2. See, 2 different groups of 4. Now, some of you have written 8 divided by 2 is good. 4. And there's nothing wrong with that. That's completely great because you heard me mention fact families. It's still relevant. Excellent job. Great job. Now let's take a look at another one. We see how many groups of 5. Awesome. I heard you say 4 groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write your multiplication number sentence to represent 4 groups of 5. I'll give you a moment. I hear you say 4 times 5, and I've heard 5 times 4. Fact families. Excellent. You've got it. Now, how many are in each group? Good. 5. But what's the product? What's going to be the total number represented? Good job. I'm hearing some say let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. So 5 times 4 is 20. And 4 times 5 is 20. Good. These are the members in this family. 4, 5, 20. 5, 4, 20. You won't see these numbers without one another. Here's some saying, how did they get 20? That's okay, because a slower way to multiply is to add. So let's count it all up. Let's count each group of 5. Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No? Right. So you have to slow down. Here we go. You ready? All right, I'm with you. I can hear you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing a good job. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. That's where the 20 came from. Everyone learns at a different pace. We all don't go at the same speed. Awesome job. So now let's switch it into a division number sentence. How is it going to look when we change this into a division number sentence? Someone said, use blue. Here we go. Good job. 20 is the larger number. 20 will go first. It is what's to be divided. It is what's to be placed, or meaning what's to be divided into an equal portion, because we're doing simple division and simple multiplication. So this is what's to be divided. This is the dividend. Divided by what number? Good. Divided by 5. Divided by 5 equals what member of the family is missing? You're getting it. 4. 4 is the member of the family that was missing. This is the quotient. Okay? And this can be written like so. 20 divided by 4. All right? Equals 5. So let's take a look. 20 divided by 4, because there are 4 equal groups of 5. You did a great job today. Awesome in our mini math moment. But before we go, let's take a look at this one. Yeah, kind of like homework. So you see 3 different groups. You're going to make a multiplication number sentence, just as we've practiced, and a division number sentence, just as we've practiced. And teachers, give them a moment to do this. So you can count by what? Good. You can count by 2s. Let's count by 2s. 2, 4, 6. So there are 6 in each group. And that's all I'll give you. That's our math moment for today. I'm your response to interventionist for reading and math, grades 1 through 8, Miss Tessie Madlock, and see you next time. Bye-bye.